Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Iraqi Dinar or closely following IQD developments, pause for a moment, because today's update could affect how you prepare going forward. Reports are circulating that major institutions, including PNC, the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, and Bank of America, are involved in what insiders are calling a confidential internal banking protocol. Some channels are even claiming live system activity on internal screens. The phrase itself sounds serious, and that's because it refers to internal operational testing rather than anything public-facing. In simple terms, these protocols are controlled procedures banks use to test system readiness. That includes validating large transaction flows, checking liquidity availability, confirming compliance requirements, verifying serial numbers, and ensuring documentation processes work smoothly. When large correspondent banks are mentioned, it suggests activity inside major clearing networks. When the CBI is referenced, it points to coordination or approval at the central bank level. Some creators cite internal rate screens or system logs as proof of progress. While such material should always be treated cautiously, the practical takeaway is important. If internal systems are being exercised, the process has moved beyond planning and into technical verification. That does not mean public exchanges open immediately. Banks typically follow phased rollouts, internal testing first, then limited or priority access, followed by broader public availability once liquidity, compliance, and staffing are fully verified. Activation signals movement, not a guaranteed or instant exchange window. What this does mean for holders is preparation matters more than ever. When access eventually opens, those who are organized will move faster and face fewer delays. Start with your physical notes. Sort them by denomination and record serial numbers clearly. Large exchanges often require serial-level verification, especially during system testing. Next, gather all proof of purchase, receipts, invoices, bank transfers, emails, or any record showing legal acquisition. Create high-quality scans and store both digital and physical copies securely. Make sure your personal identification meets anti-money laundering requirements in your country. International holders may need notarized documents or translations. Also prepare contact details for any exchange center or financial advisor you plan to use. Documentation is not optional. Banks must satisfy strict compliance rules before approving large currency exchanges. Missing or unclear paperwork can trigger delays, additional reviews, or temporary holds. Organized records significantly improve processing speed. International holders should be especially careful. Many countries require reporting of large foreign currency transactions, and some may tax gains from exchanges. Speak with a tax professional now to understand your obligations. Also check with your local bank about incoming wire limits and documentation requirements to avoid compliance flags. Liquidity testing is a major reason these internal protocols exist. Banks need to confirm they can process large volumes without system strain and that settlement reserves are sufficient. If shortfalls are found, exchanges may be staggered. Being prepared helps you adapt to phased rollouts. Risk management is critical. Internal testing is a technical step, not a promise. Regulatory, legal, or political factors can still delay timelines. Avoid anyone offering guaranteed access or fast exchanges for upfront fees. Legitimate institutions don't operate that way. With rumors spreading, rely only on verified sources, official CBI statements, licensed banks, and recognized exchange centers. Social media claims alone are not confirmation. Emotional discipline matters. Anticipation can cause rushed decisions. Preparation creates calm. Don't act without written confirmation from a verified institution. Plan for 3 scenarios. 1. Testing leads to limited access, then public exchange. Prepared holders move first. 2. Testing continues for weeks. Being ready keeps you ahead. 3. Delays occur. Preparation protects you from scams and panic. Keep a simple checklist ready. Inventory of notes with serial numbers. All purchase and transfer documentation. Government-issued ID and bank details. Verified exchange or advisor contacts. Secure digital storage and printed backups. Expect identity and provenance checks when submitting documents. Respond quickly to requests. If using third-party agents, verify licenses and reputation. Scams increase during moments like this. Red flags include secrecy, pressure tactics, personal account payments, or guaranteed outcomes. Pause and verify everything. The CBI remains the final authority. While internal testing is meaningful, official announcements will be the definitive signal. Monitor them closely.